here we go. Let's hope this Erick doesn't fail. My camera's already recording, so should be good. Now time for the suspenseful wait. As well as this one. Wait. Suspenseful wait that I absolutely hate because I know it's cold out here, but it's kind of warm. I'll just put a timeline on my camera as in the edits. Sorry, we're getting cold out here. Goes off. From what people have told me, this is not inactive. Why is this made out of steel? Gotta find out what time it is. It's probably 53. Probably. Oh, what time is it? 52? I want to use it at the time thing.
I want to tape out for it.
You can use it as like the timer. I can hold up in front of the camera to see what time it is when it goes off, so that's fine. It's a 3rd gen body by the looks of it. Is for some reason on full tone, or it might be a band to hold it. It's loud. It might be a band, or just might be a switch chopper to make it dual tone. Also, I have no idea how loud Erick's are, so this is terrifying. That Model 2 did not stop me from getting a successful test. Come on, Erick. That'll be my strategy to cover here. I've noticed that these things are pretty high pitched, so that's nice. Time. 53. Okay, it's 53. So good so far. Make sure your volume's off so you don't blast it after the siren winds down. It's all the way up there on that building. Fire department actually. Check the shot. There you go, there's the shot. Shot looks pretty good. This wall has styrofoam in it.
What?
This wall has styrofoam.
Look at that. I was looking in there and that head creeped me out. I know. I was like looking. I'm like, oh.
That thing's creepy. Ew. I thought you saw like a giant bug or something. I was not expecting to see that either. A bar?
Cut and grub, it says.
Sounds like the worst thing ever.
Socks.
Getting that time here. Filming for 4 minutes. Come on, Erick. Don't fail. I have no clue if this is active or not. I have 0.
Send it to Mrs. Beasley.
I don't have the number. Yeah, she's holding it. I think she did. She might have. It's just a little windy out. Come on, just focus. If I ever use always touch focus on my phone, it just starts to mess up the focus. It goes off at noon, so should go off in a minute. Unless they have a normal clock. Filming for 5 minutes. Let me redo the recording. Get a new one. Please don't be like that model too. I want this to be successful. Yeah, probably just blocking the wind. Oh, it's all cracked over here. They have wood parked inside the brick. Wood particles. I really hope this isn't sick either. I hope it's a healthy 3-phase probably. Filming for 30 seconds so far. I'll redo the camera. Stop over here. What's the time?
7.
Okay. That thing was loud. No, it's not. I don't feel it. That was awesome. Shh. Don't blast that loud. That was great. Oh my god. That was awesome. Shh. Quiet down. Turn it down. There you go. God. Is this the one? Yeah, this one is one. This is not the right one. Yeah, this is the wrong one. Alright, here we go. Photo looks good. Alright. That was awesome. That thing was loud. I think it was about Foreman Deco loud. Okay. Successful test. All done. Yeah, the bearings on it seem like they're a little off. That thing was awesome.
That was cool.
Yeah, that thing was like Foreman Deco loud.
Does that make up for yesterday?
Yeah, it makes up for that model too. Well, next one I guess is T128 ambience for my house, so.
Sweet.
Awesome.
That was about 2 minutes early, right?
Yeah. And this isn't even a part of Stetson County anymore.